The brightness control tab is used for adjusting the light output or setting a constant light output. So we have a normal mode, eco, and then 3 different user profiles of operating mode and light output we could use. If I set this to user, I can manually set the maximum output that I want this projector to be achieve, and then I can change my light output within that maximum level. Why would I want to change my light output? Well, this is the best way to match projectors. The brightness and contrast settings are good for normalizing our signal, but they're not going to account for the luminosity difference between two projectors. So if one projector is an RZ21 and one is an RZ12, two projectors that shoot almost the exact same image, just of different brightnesses, and I needed to match them, I would come into my RZ21 and I would ramp it down until my lumens value were equivalent. Let's call that a 40% ramp down on the 21K to get it to match a 12K. It's probably something in there. Any basic light meter will work. They can be pretty affordable nowadays, even ones on your phone. You don't need a pure reference, you just need something that gives you a relative reference between the two projectors. So this is how you brightness lumens match two projectors. The brightness control allows you to set the projector to follow or adhere to a specific brightness value constantly over time. If we set it to auto, it's going to utilize its internal photosensor to keep the projector at a specific level automatically. If we set it to PC, it's going to utilize the brightness levels coming from the multi-monitoring and control software, an external piece of software. It's going to reference that. We have 4 different groups when we're in auto mode. This follows the networking groups that are set up and allows the projector to track with the brightness of those projectors in its own group. We could apply it and we can update it. This is one menu that will look very different based on the capabilities of the projector and what other softwares you have linked to Geometry Manager Pro.